Hello, and welcome back to CNG Forest Lesson. This is a weekly market forecast for 2024, and this is week 3. We are in the third week, so this analysis is going to be for the third week. So last week our analysis was that the week, in fact, the recent week was going to be very indecisive, where prices will be consolidating within some period of time, right? And then whatever we forecast was actually what happened in the week, if only you followed this video and then you were doing accordingly, right? So the analysis week, right, the recent week was started on what? 7th January 2024. So that we are just going to do a short recap. And for the recap, I'm not going to waste much time here. So now what we are going to do is that from henceforth, we will not waste time on the recent week recap, right? It makes the video a bit lengthy. So this is what we want to do. When we come, we tell you whether the recent week went as we said, right? So that's what we do, and then we move on to the following week, right? So we said the market was going to be a bit indecisive, right? So it started from here. We did analysis here. So this is, I didn't clean any markings. Just for the sake of remembrance, I left everything as it is, right? So this is where we started the analysis. And this is the date, second week, 7th January, right? And we started from here. And we said that because of the consolidation that was going to happen, we have to what? Wait and actually see that price actually breaks above the resistance and then below what? The support. Then from there, we will know that prices are going to rally, right? Whether they are going to rally or they are going to dip massively, right? Rallying, going up, maintaining a constant upward momentum, and then the dipping is breaking below the support and then selling massively. So that was what exactly happened. So someone may say that, okay, we see that here prices were ranging, but at least the distances were quite encouraging that you could what actually trade. Of course. So if you are in fact, you are a scalper, this price action would actually help you massively, right? If you are a scalper, this price action would help you massively because from here, you could even sell, get to this place, then go up that in that order, right? So it was very good for the scalper. For myself, I'm not a scalper, right? So I am doing this from the swing or day trader perspective. So that is what is going to help you. So that is it. So you see here, up, down, right? So you see, you realize that price didn't break above the supports and it didn't break above the resistance and it didn't break below the support. That was what was happening. And that was our forecast. It happened actually. You see the market here, the price was here. The analysis started from here. And then this is the line that I've drawn. So this was the line. It moves up, down, up, down. That was what happened. So realize that if you're a day trader or let's say a swinger, this wouldn't be helpful for you. But the scalper would actually what benefit from this price action, the movement. That is it. So now let's move to this week analysis, right? And now this week analysis is the forecast is going to be the same as the previous week, or in fact the recent week, right? Now we realize we can see also that prices are ranging within this boundary, this channel, still ranging. So my forecast again, in fact, I'm going to give you the forecast, the overview for the week, and then we'll do the analysis itself to prove that whatever I said, this is what it means. So we are going to do that. Now, prices are going to be indecisive, especially from Tuesday. Monday is going to be a holiday. I think Martin Luther King's holiday, right? So Monday, I think nothing massive, nothing actually will happen. Then we move to Tuesday. So Tuesday will still be in that consolidating actions. And then until prices what break above this resistance or below the support level. So this is what we are going to do, or this is what we should expect this week. Prices will be moving below and in fact within this channel until they break above, right? So this is the weekly forecast that I have for you. So now we go and prove from the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and then the 4 hour and then the 1 hour to actually prove whatever I just said. So that is it. So let's start from the weekly and see what is going to happen there. So the weekly time frame, let's see what is going to happen here, right? Now, the weekly time frame, I see a bullish candlestick forming here, right? A bullish candlestick forming here. Let me zoom a bit. Look here, a bullish, in fact, a morning star forming. So on the weekly, we can say that the price action looks what? Bullish for the weekly. So we are doing top-down analysis. Now let's move to the weekly, sorry, the daily time frame and see what is happening there. Right. So this is what I see here for the daily time frame. Right. Now the daily time frame, there's something happening here. If you don't take care, you may think prices are what? Trying to move up or down. But let me help you with a trend line, and then let's see what is happening. Let me help you with the trend line and see what is happening. Right. So we see, look at this trend line. You see that prices are still moving with below this trend line. And this trend line is actually what? A resistance trend line. Prices, they move to the level, they come back. They move to the level, they withdraw back. They move to the level, they withdraw back. So here, the reason why we are saying for the daily one is indecisive. Now, the weekly is bullish, right? But when it comes to the daily time frame, it looks what? Bearish, right? And at the same time, it could be bullish because we are at a critical point that this line could actually what? Price could actually break it, right? It can break it and then we start what? Buying, right? In fact, dollar or DXY start buying. So this is what is happening here. So we are still at what? At indecisive points, right? Price could actually drop down, which has a higher potential. Now here also, there's another potential, right? Price breaking. In fact, it could even come and reach just here, right? And then gap up. So you see what is happening. So we are at a resistance point where price could move above or could what? Move below. So you see, so weekly is bullish, daily is indecisive. Anything could actually happen here. Now let's move to, I'm cleaning them so that the chart doesn't look messy, right? I don't want it to look too messy. It's worrying. Now let's move the 4 hour time frame. Now 4 hour time frame, let's see what is happening here. 4 hour time frame. Let's see whatever is happening here. Bear in mind, I trade on the 1 hour time frame. Usually, I trade on 4 hour time frame. So see what is happening here. At this point, see what is happening. Price were generally moving down. Now we started what? Moving back. Now at this point, we see a resistance. Look at this line. This is a resistance line, right? And then we have the support, the main support line here, right? But we are at another point where there's what? A consolidation, what's happening. There's consolidation, right? There's consolidation, markets being up and down, moving up and down, within some boundary. You see, price has not moved up, price has not moved below, is consolidating between here. So at this point, what we can say that price is what? At indecisive level, right? We are at a consolidating level. Price are not moving above, not moving below. So very indecisive. So the weekly is what? Bullish. Daily is indecisive. When it comes to the 4-hour time frame too, it's also indecisive. Price could move below or could move above. Now, what you mean or what you should expect is that when price moves below or above, then that's what is going to happen for the whole week. Bear in mind, that is my bias or my prediction. That's my forecast. If price move above this, if it moves above or breaks the resistance, it may come and retest it and then go up again. And then when it breaks below, it may come and retest it and then move down. So that is my analysis or forecast for you. And then that means anything is possible. Now let's move to the 1 hour where we actually will decide or take our trade, right? Now, on this 1 hour time frame, let's see what is happening. This 1 hour time frame, we see. On this 1 hour time frame, we see what is happening. This is very what? Indecisive, right? Price still what? Consolidating, right? So let me put this here. That's the third week. So when we come and check this. This is where the price is. So I'm expecting price to either move up, break the resistance, or move below the support, and then the price will continue to rally or dip. So this is where we are. At this 1 hour two, prices is what? Very indecisive. We are at a consolidating level. So this is the weekly forecast, right? For the week coming. Monday is a holiday, Martin Luther King's holiday. And then so the price we actually should expect or market to fully resume on Tuesday and then up to Friday. So this is my weekly analysis for you. Let me just do a recap again. Now, the recap is that this week, the market is going to be still indecisive as the last week. So indecisive, we are only hoping and waiting until prices move what's above this level, price break this support level, resistance level, or that's what, wait a minute, or price move below this support level, or in fact, even come to the second support level. So bear in mind, if it moves below this second support level, then there's going to be a massive drop on DXY. And when there's a massive drop on DXY, then the corresponding pairs are going to buy massively. So that is what it means. So weekly indecisive until the market actually decides to move in a particular direction. So thank you very much for being with us. Please like and subscribe and share. If there is any help or assistance that you need, you can contact us and then we talk to you or respond to you. Thank you very much. Have a happy weekly trading. Thank you very much. Bye.